Hey there, I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today we are going to make beautiful and simple flowers like this. You can make many flowers like this and use it in vase or use it in party decoration, or you can decorate your hairband. So if you want to make like this, then go to our video. You need 2 tissue paper and 1 thread, any color thread. I use here wool and 1 scissor. Take 1 tissue paper. I have this size tissue paper. I will make 4 square from this. Make 2 folds, 1 fold, and this is another fold, and cut on the lines. So you will get 4 square from 1 tissue paper. Here I have 4 square from 1 paper. Now take another paper and make 4 square from it. You have no restrictions about color or any size. Your flower size will be depend on how much big square you are taking. Here I have another 4 squares. Now place all the square together properly. Now here is your first fold. Turn another fold. Turn, fold, turn, fold. Repeat it till the end. Now tie your thread in the middle like this. Now we are going to shape the petals. So cut round shape like this on the both side. This is half round. Now open the petals like this. Be careful while open the paper. Now it's time to separate the paper like this. One by one separate the paper from both sides. These petals are looking so nice. Here is our flower ready. I hope you like the video. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For upcoming new videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.